Alright y'all, I know most of y'all have heard of the storm called Hurricane Harvey, which if you live in like the southern United States, you're experiencing it right now, like in Texas and Louisiana. But yeah, I'm experiencing Hurricane Harvey right now. Shoot, we got some freaking stuff to do. Like I gotta prepare. Like I'm gonna start preparing for y'all on camera and doing all this stuff. Alright, we got the snorkel here just in case we have to go swimming. Alright, so the storm is getting bad. So things we have, I'm gonna pack a portable charger to put in here. I'm gonna pack this. You never know. The water may get up rise and we may need this if we swim because we don't have any boat. To that, have a first aid kit just in case anything happens. Hopefully the water doesn't get high. It don't like get above us and stuff like this. I don't know why I have this out. I am gonna bring some boots for like higher like when the water gets high, but this stuff is just for now. And I bring all my cameras to record it and stuff. My phone's charging, everything. Got the phone on the charger, action cam on the charger, cheap action camera. But yeah, got this stuff getting ready to go. Turtles up here. But yeah, we gotta get ready for it. Look at, oh my gosh, look at all these freaking amber. These things get on my nerves. But guys, look at this right here. We're gonna go to Adrian. Look, this is on my street. This is where I live. Look how deep it is, like. It's over the driveways. They're in a canoe and stuff. Look how deep that is. What the heck, bro? I never lived to see. This is at the end of our street.
We need a boat, bro. That shit looks fun.
I know, bro. I would want to go outside. Hey, who got a boat?
Going up to my knees.
Look at that. Guys, look at all that water on our street. I know it's not as bad as some other people, but shoot, look at all that. It's gonna start flooding over here and stuff. Look at all that water. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at this right here. Like, look at all of this freaking rain and stuff. I'm gonna bring this action camera and like just go out there in the rain and show you guys how deep it is. But look at this, guys. Look at that down there. I'm not going in. I'm just gonna look, it stopped up the mailbox, you guys. I'm gonna just get right here. Oh heck no. Look how deep this is. Hey, you better move. They gonna stop spraying. 4-wheeler. We got a 4-wheeler coming. Well, that's stupid. Y'all ain't gonna get him. Yeah, guys. Oh my goodness. This stuff, I never seen this before. Oh, I wish we had a boat. I'm gonna ask who has a boat. Look at that. Our grass is turning brown. Oh my gosh, look at this person there on top of a house. That's freaking crazy right there. I've been waiting for this day so. Hold up. yeah, we don't have school. This is so deep. You better get on the damn boat. I'm afraid to stop. I'll leave that water in that hole. Oh, yeah. The only thing I'm afraid for that. It is so deep, though. Like, it's like. Other neighborhood over there, they got water in their house. Ugh. It just keeps getting worse.
Let it. Oh, this water cold.
Yeah, hypothermia. Oh, I know y'all don't see. Look over there, that mailbox. Move.
Oh my gosh.
The mailbox is almost underwater, all the way down there, like past that mailbox, right there. There's one underwater, like over there.